Keeps beeping and won't continue through to the spin cycle. Have unplugged and forwarded to just the spin cycle, keeps adding water, then starts beeping. I have the EcoSmart, not sure model number, where do I find it? It's about 10 or more years old.
Hello, and thank you for using this service. I'll be helping you with your problem today. Let's see if an error code pulls up. With the machine off, press and hold the Wash Temp Down button and then push the power button until the machine gives 2 short beeps and lights up. Now press the spin speed up button 3 times so that the hold and slow LEDs are illuminated. The 8 wash progress LEDs will show the error code. Which ones are illuminated from left to right? Example, 1st, 5th, 8th.
None are illuminated. We tried this 7 times and each time something different would happen. We unplugged, started over until the exact things showed that you said should, however, no error codes are showing. We did it once before when the slow and hold were not both illuminated, but there were some error codes showing.
Okay, just let the washer run until it starts beeping again. While the washer is beeping, it will show the error code. The 8 wash progress LEDs will show the error code. Which ones are illuminated from left to right? Example, 1st, 5th, 8th.
Okay, forwarded it to the spin cycle now. I did see a few lights lit up when I did this before, but did not pay too close attention to what numbers they were. This may take a few minutes, please be patient and stay with us. Thanks.
Okay, sounds good. Just let me know.
On the spin cycle for quite a while now, it just keeps adding water. Water runs in for a count of 20, stops filling for a very brief second, then starts again. It will not overfill, will it? And should I just let it keep going till I get the error codes?
Just let it keep running until you get an error, please. It shouldn't overfill.
Okay. It 3, 6 and 8.
Okay, this is the error code I thought you'd get. So this is a pump block error. You will need to manually drain all the water in the tub, with a cup and bucket or wet vac if you have one, then tip the machine backwards so you can access under the bottom and unplug the unit. The drain pump is located in the front right corner. It has a fan blade hanging from the bottom of it. Twist the fan blade and if it doesn't spin freely, you need to remove your drain pump and clear the blockage above it. There is a plastic tab that you can push on and then the entire pump will twist and pull off. If the blade does spin freely, there is a Y connection in the back right corner with 3 1-inch hoses connected to it. Disconnect the hoses and check the Y connection for any blockages. Remove any blockages if necessary. If both things check good, then you just need to replace the drain pump itself and it costs about $100. If you have any other questions, please ask me, I'll be happy to respond. You can continue asking follow-up questions until you have all the information you need even after rating my service. Thank you.
Thanks. Are draining water now but won't take machine apart till tomorrow, due to late hour. We had a technician out to the house about a year ago, and after he left, the machine cannot ever complete a full cycle. It would start to beep at the 3 position, all we have to do is push the start button again, and it will continue to wash until the end. That has been kind of a pain in the butt for over a year. Can you suggest how we can reset everything once we have the pump cleaned out, so we no longer have to manually push the buttons? And thanks for your help. Have rated you at the highest level.
Thank you very much. As for how to reset everything, just start a new cycle and the washer should cycle on its own once the drain problem has been fixed. Otherwise, if it's just stopping and not giving you an error code at like the 3 position or something, you may need a control board.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.